Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to screenshot on Windows. So let's get started the video. To take screenshots, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Now select the area to capture. Your screenshot will be saved to the clipboard and a notification will appear. Click on it. Now you can edit and save your screenshot. Another way to take a screenshot is press Windows plus PrtScn together on your keyboard. Then the screen will briefly dim. It means the screenshot is taken. To find your screenshot, open File, go to Pictures, then Screenshot. Here is the saved screenshot. This will automatically save your screenshot here. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.